Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to disable the Side Smartbar on the VIVO X300 Pro. Your Side Smartbar is right here and has a bunch of apps to open them easily. It can be annoying for some users, and to disable it, go to Settings first by scrolling down from top to bottom and pressing this little gear. In here, in Settings, scroll down to Shortcuts and Accessibility. And in this menu, pick Side Smartbar. Here we can disable it. Now we disable Side Smartbar. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.